Hey guys, now I'm gonna tell you experiment by Alan Langer, who's a Harvard social psychologist. Took experiment in his one research. Obviously, experiment in the human complaints. In that experiment, they cut in a line. They experiment the people with one person. Uh, is asking in three types of requests from the people to let him to make a copy in a copy machine in front of it. In that case, in first person, ask it like that. Excuse me, I have 5 pages. May I use the Xerox machine because I'm in a rush. In that case, the not in that case the mm, gaining the effectiveness of this request plus reason is 94% of those asked persons let them her to make a copy in your place because he is giving the reason, kind of the word because, and also some reason I'm in a rush. Okay, you can understand in the end of the video after hearing the other third person, and in the second person they ask it like that. Excuse me, I have 5 pages. May I use the Xerox machine? Only this. Under those circumstances, only 60% of those asked complied. 60%. At first glance, it appears that you can say that kinda you're not giving the whole reason, but it's also higher. 60% is kinda, if you know that if something is more than 50% is gonna be likely uh, be the same in your situation, highly likely. That's why. But in the third case, you can't even think about like that because in the third case, only the third person asked it like that. Uh, Excuse me, I have 5 pages. May I use the Xerox machine? And because I have to make some copies, only like that. After because he's giving again, I have to make some copies again. The restating the first statement. In this case, the result was around 93% agreed from the people who he asked it. Look at the percentage. In that case, we can conclude that that in the human and animals and humans, we are all them kind of some how can I say, not like a one type of the animal or the anything something. Yes, but the kind of machine. I don't know how to explain it, but the system of the brain in animals and the humans is likely same. Because in the next video I will uh, speak about the animals thinking about this type of things, but in the humans it's likely to ask with some reasons, especially if you give the transition like because you can get likely more higher than the positive outcome for you from the other person. That's why, yeah, this is an experiment from Alan Langer, and yeah, interesting. See you in the next video. Bye.